Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your retirement planning with TIAA step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all necessary documents, including your income, expenses, and existing investments. Identify your retirement goals. Consider factors like desired retirement age, lifestyle, and travel plans. Evaluate your current retirement savings. Review accounts such as 401(k), IRAs, and any pensions. Calculate how much more you need to save to meet your goals. Use TIAA's retirement planning tools for a personalized analysis. Visit the TIAA website and create an account if you don't have one. Access their retirement income calculator to project your future needs. Explore various investment options available through TIAA. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, and annuities to diversify your portfolio. Determine your risk tolerance and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. Maximize contributions to your retirement accounts. If you have a 401(k), contribute enough to get any employer match. Aim to increase contributions annually to keep pace with inflation. If eligible, consider a Roth IRA for tax-free growth. Schedule regular check-ins with your financial advisor. Discuss changes in your financial situation or market conditions. Rebalance your portfolio at least once a year to stay on track. Stay informed about retirement planning updates and best practices. Utilize TIAA's resources for educational content and market insights. Consider the impacts of taxes and estate planning on your retirement. Prepare a detailed estate plan to ensure your wishes are honored. Review your plan periodically to make necessary adjustments. Take advantage of TIAA's workshops and webinars for ongoing education. Stay proactive about your retirement planning to achieve your goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.